Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something different, as you can tell. But if you want to go to something better, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be trying a bunch of different stuff out in this video. Some stuff I have tried before, but some stuff I haven't. So right now I'm trying out the photo finish primer from Smashbox. It's alright. I don't really see it doing a difference. So now I'm going in with the Magic Lumi primer. This one I have tried and I love it. It's really good if you have dry skin. Haven't tried this one in a long time. The Age Rewind concealer, it's pretty good. I thought I was gonna be like whack because that's how it was back in the day, but it's actually pretty good and I totally recommend. My favorite powder in the whole world, Bomb. I don't even have to talk about it, you already know. Trying out this palette, pretty cute colors. I'm gonna go in with some yellow because I'm trying to be different, you know. I'm just blending and blending. I'm going in with this orange. I don't know the names of it. It's just one of the lighter oranges. And I'm just blending and blending and blending. Going in with a darker orange. It's kind of like a reddy orangey color. Just something to darken up the crease a bit. And then I'm gonna keep on blending, packing on some more yellow because it disappeared. More blending, making my crease a little sharper because I'm not doing like a cut crease, but I am doing a cut crease. You know what I'm saying? Just a natural look. More yellow. The other eye is done. I did my brows with the Precise My Brow. And going in with this new product. Yeah, I messed up, but it's gonna be gone in 3 seconds. See, boom, I told you. Going in with my favorite under eye corrector. That's from Becca. Hitting it up a little bit. Now I'm trying the, what is it called? I don't know. It's that vintage looking makeup. You know what I'm talking about. It's just black gel eyeliner. I thought it was really good. It actually made it easier to use my eyeliner, which that's like impossible for eyeliner being easy, but you know, whatever. And then my sister gave me this foundation stick because it didn't fit her. I personally didn't really like it that much, but it's because it is a mattifying foundation and I am dry skin, so it made me look a little cakey, but whatever, it's worth a try. Okay, going in with some cream contour. This is the one from Jordana. I live by this. I breathe and live it. It's amazing. You know, just hitting up the normal places that people always do, whatever. And then I'm gonna blend that out soon. Now. Take a shot from me. Going back with that concealer. I know it looks a little bit light. I know. But it all blends out well afterwards. Just wait on it. Do you love this shit? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous? Blending, using my beauty blender, because you know it's the bomb. Going in with some liquid highlight from Becca in the shade Opal. The bomb. I'm using a new brush, that's what I was doing. Now I'm trying out baking. Yeah, I have really dry skin and I shouldn't be baking, but your girl wanted to try it, so you know, don't mind me. And yeah, I'm using a brush instead of an actual beauty blender because I didn't want to like mess up my beauty blender because I just had cleaned it or whatever, so using a brush. Okay, now bronzer. This is the MAC Give Me Sun. I did not know it was gonna be that pigmented, but you know, I thought it was a little orange at first, but you know, I think it's alright. I think it's okay. I don't think it's bad. Not as good as my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. If you want to spend the money on it, it's cute. Whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna start contouring. I always use the Hoola bronzer to contour, but I'm using a new brush, and I think the brush is alright. It's thick but pointy, so it gets there, but then it blends it out. So it's cute. It's cute. Now I'm wiping off the bake because you know I don't need all that. I don't need to wait. I don't. It's too much. It's just too much. And we just zoomed in, so we're doing the lower lash line, going back in the yellow in the front part, and then the orange in the back of the lash line, some darker orange that I used, and blending it out with a clean brush. Boom, easy as pie. Going in with this new blush from Pixie. It's in the shade Beach Rose. I hate blush, that's why I'm using a dual fiber, and I tap it off a lot because blush, but I felt like I need it. And then, oh my god, this ColourPop highlighter, look, boom, dropped it, didn't know, whatever. What, wait for it, what, look at that, what, look at that. Mind you, this highlighter is like, I don't know, $6, and it's lit, oh my god, lit. And I might, like, I didn't even put that much on. I literally, like, you saw me tap that off. You saw me, whatever. So I'm blending it out with the fan brush. There's no extra product on it. I'm just trying to blend it out as good as I can. Hitting that brow bone now, blending it out with my finger. Fix Plus, super important. Super important. Next up is mascara. Trying this one out for the first time. It's kind of lit. I mean, if you want like natural lashes, it's gonna give you that. So if you like that, go for it. Okay, so now I'm trying the Benefit They're Real mascara. I used to love it in high school, and then I hated it. And you know what? I still hate it. It's weird. I don't know. It's just weird. I ended up going back in that Tarte mascara for my lower lashes. Lips, I'm doing the I Love Sarai. What is it? I Love Sarai ColourPop collab. I don't remember the color. I think it's like 951 or something like that. I use it all the time. But yeah, I don't know the number. And yeah, that's the final look. Bye, guys. What you think about that?